Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this song is currently unavailable on Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open settings of your smartphone, and here you need to click on app management. So once you are here, you simply need to click on app list and search for the Instagram, and here you need to click on storage and cache. The first step, you need to clear cache from here, and after that you need to clear storage. Then you need to go back and allow all permissions. Once you complete that step, you simply need to go back and open Play Store and search for the Instagram, and you need to update your Instagram application. As you can see, my Instagram is up to date. Then you simply need to restart your smartphone, and after that you need to log in into your Instagram account, and hopefully your issue will be resolved. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.